Hello and welcome to this quick overview of Edgewonk, the professional trading journal. Here you can see the starting screen with a quick overview of your performance, green and red days if you had traded that month for winning and losing days. In the journal you enter your trades with all the additional information that you want to track. Edgewonk is fully customizable, which means you can adapt it 100% to your individual strategy. Let's take a look at trade analytics, for example. These are setups, news, breakout, retest. You can go as deep as you want into your performance, for example, and break down setups by hundreds of criteria, which you can all customize, as I said. In the chart lab, you can see your equity curve in relation to how well you managed your trades, for example. You can see your trade management itself. Would you have had a better performance if you had traded set and forget instead of managing your trades? You can see the distribution of your holding times. You can test different take profit and stop losses. You can see your drawdowns in the underwater chart. If we go to the simulator, you can extrapolate your performance into the future. Do you have a positive expectancy going forward? What can you expect over the next 500 trades if you keep trading like this? In the chart book, you have all your trades with according screenshots. In the trade process, you have the trading sessions where you can talk about how a particular day, week or month or quarter or year even went with performance statistics. In the missed trades section, you can enter the trades you missed, for example. You can add notes to your trades, and all of this is filterable. So you can, with these filters on top, you can filter for days, day of the week, months, years, and position size, time of day, outcomes, entry comments, how you entered, how you exited, by instruments, risk rewards, how you managed your trade. Then you can go into the custom stats, which you yourself can create. How did you sleep last night? What is the market condition when you entered? And you can switch between and or for the filter logic. So you can really dig deep into your stats and see exactly where you are bleeding money and where your performance lies. This is the most complete trader development suite you will find anywhere in the world, and it gives you all the tools you need to improve your strategy and become a profitable trader.